Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3-2-1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be beneficial when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, if you haven't already, don't forget to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave a what? Emoji in the comment section if you like these types of videos. So today's translation is please wash your hands. This word can either mean hands or alcohol, so you want to be careful. Ensa is hands. Ensa, which is a bit more nasal with the sa, is for alcohol. Let's just do wash your hands on its own and then I'll add the please. So wash your hands. Hohoro wonsa. Hohoro wonsa. Hohoro wonsa. Wash your hands. Hohoro wonsa. Hohoro wonsa. Hohoro wonsa. Wash your hands. Hohoro is to wash. Wo is you or your. Insa is the Twi word for hands. Insa, hands. Insa, or your hand. Insa. So let's make it a sentence and add please. Me pao chel. Hohoro wonsa. Me pao chel. Hohoro wonsa. Or the shortened version of please. Me pa chel. Me pa chel. Hohoro wonsa. Me pa chel. Hohoro wonsa. Me pa chel. Hohoro wonsa. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.